Got a tag on him. Cheese is his name. There's coyotes around here, y'all. And bobcats. That's the reason why I won't be out doing overnight camping in the woods around my house or in my backyard anytime soon. Paul. John had mentioned that I should probably try some stealth camping. Actually, I had thought about camping in the backyard to try out my equipment. But I thought about that coyote we've been having around here. I was thinking, no, maybe I can hang myself up in the kayak over there. Or not the kayak, but the, what do you call the thing that hangs down? The hammock. I was thinking maybe I could hang myself up in a hammock, but then just last night I started hearing kids heard the howling. I heard the squealing and the screaming. The feline that was getting attacked or killed or whatever. I was like, man, I don't know if I want to camp out with the coyotes. Me, the hawk, and the coyotes, baby. All right. Business is taken care of. Now you have a little fun. Or try. Have a little fun. Stay safe and have some fun. Let's keep the safety first. Just these mirrors, man. They all out of whack. Hey, being able to adjust your mirrors while you're riding, I'm sure that's a skill too. So. Oh, what happened here? Someone get evicted from their apartment. It's a nice antique table. Bread machine. The hawk feels small today. Maybe it feels just right. Maybe I'm feeling bigger. I've been working out at the gym. Maybe I'm getting swole. I was going to double up on the equipment today, but I was like, man, I can't wear this. I can't fit it on. The exoskeleton fits me a lot better, though. I'm like, hey, I'm filling this sucker out. Barely. I only gained like 1 or 2 pounds. But that means a lot when it's all even around. I do the full body workout. That's legs up to the neck. Or shoulders. She sounds nice and smooth, y'all. I just wanted to get out here. As you can see, the battery was dead, so that tells you right there. I haven't rode it for a little while. It's been like 5-6 days maybe. I'll tell you guys, this house up here, it's always changing every time we come past. It was blue, then it was tan. You take a look at it, you tell me if you know which house I'm talking about. I'm not even going to say anything. They're probably working on it right now. That's crazy. Watch my videos, y'all.